Today, we are going to see what is 4D printing. Using 3D printing and multi-material structures in additive manufacturing has allowed for the design and creation of what is called 4D printing. 4D printing is an additive manufacturing process in which the printed object changes shape with time, temperature, or some other type of stimulation. 4D printing allows for the creation of dynamic structures with adjustable shapes, properties, or functionality. The smart/stimulus-responsive materials that are created using 4D printing can be activated to create calculated responses such as self-assembly, self-repair, multifunctionality, reconfiguration, and shape-shifting. This allows for customized printing of shape-changing and shape memory materials. 4D printing has the potential to find new applications and uses for materials, plastics, composites, metals, etc., and has the potential to create new alloys and composites that were not viable before. The versatility of this technology and materials can lead to advances in multiple fields of industry, including space, commercial, and medical fields. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arrowits for more videos.